Hey, the Jameson Roaring Donkey wanted to show you how to make one of our favorite drinks. It's the Moscow Mule, baby. You're gonna want to start off with your vodka of choice. We use Tito's. Then comes the lime juice. Then you're gonna want to top that off with a little bit of ginger beer. And go ahead and top it off with a slice of lime. We're going to start off with our cucumbers, and don't be afraid to beat them up a little bit. The trophy wife of this drink is our hibiscus infused Tito's. Our friend's lime juice is getting back in the mix. Then you're going to want to top it off again with some ginger beer. Go ahead, pour it all over the place, make a mess. Throw a lime on there, throw a straw, you're good to go. That's Hibiscus Bliss, baby. Enjoy these amazing recipes at home, or save yourself the effort and just come on down to the Jameson Roaring Donkey in Petaluma. We'll make them for you.